Hi everyone and welcome to this new video about Matomo Tag Manager. In this video we're going to see what versions are. So to make it simple, versions is the possibility for you to archive and to let a text message within your container in order for your colleagues to be able to know what are the different changes that you made to it. So it's like a diary of all the changes to your Matomo Tag Manager configuration. Let's see that a bit more in practice. Okay, so here we are in Matomo Tag Manager, and as you can see here on the left, you have one button which is named Versions. So in fact, you will face this menu every time that you try to publish something. So for example, let's imagine that I would like to publish the current container that I have. You will see that the first question that Matomo is going to ask you is what is the name that you would like to give to your version. So here always give a name which is explicit enough in order for your team to clearly understand what are the new changes that you made. And here you have the possibility as a description to detail your version a little bit more. Then below you get each time the possibility to just create the version without publishing. So that's what you should do if you are not sure about what you are doing. Like you work for half an hour of you on your container, but you are not 100% sure about what you are doing. So that's why you don't publish it in order for your team to still have a look at it. And then you can even decide to which version you would like to publish it on your website, either on the live or the dev version, or either on the staging one. And if you are sure about your version, you can of course publish it straight away. And so about the version, what is great here is if you look at one specific version, let's say here the version number 2, you will see down below what are the different changes which have been made in comparison to the last version. So this is where all the magic of the versions part is happening, is that you can clearly see what your colleagues have done and what they try to achieve, and what are the new changes which are going to be implemented if you publish this given version of Matomo. You can of course come back to previous version of Matomo by just selecting the one that you are interested in. You can as well export the version that you want by just clicking over here on export. It will save the full container as a JSON file, and that's it for the versions. Okay, so I really hope that you enjoyed this video. In order to practice a little bit more with the version, all I can tell you is really try to just fill it in the title properly and the description of each version, and see if actually over the next version that you're going to publish, you get an added value of mentioning the description and title, and see if it helps the communication within your team. Thanks for watching.